Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Earpads is probably one of the most overlooked upgrades for your headphones, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. Over time, your earpads wear down, get compressed, and just don't feel or sound as good as they used to. Today, we're diving deep into the world of replacement earpads, specifically for the Skullcandy Crusher headphones, to see how a simple swap can revitalize your listening experience. Number 5. Geekria Replacement Earpads for Skullcandy Headphones. Are your headphone earpads looking a little worse for wear? These replacement earpads are here to help. They will make your headphones feel brand new again. Made with high-quality memory foam and protein leather, these earpads offer superior comfort. They are designed to provide a comfortable listening experience for hours. Replacing your old earpads is simple. Just remove the old ones and snap these new ones in. It's a quick and easy way to refresh your headphones. These earpads not only improve comfort but also give your headphones a fresh look. They will make your headset look as good as new. These earpads are compatible with a wide range of Skullcandy headphones. They may also fit other brands, so check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. These earpads are built to last, providing long-lasting performance. You can enjoy your music with these durable and high-quality earpads. What we like. These replacement earpads are made with high-quality memory foam and protein leather, ensuring a comfortable fit and long-lasting use. They are designed to give your headset a fresh look and feel. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile option that fits multiple Skullcandy models, you should consider these. What people say. Installation was a breeze, no tools needed, and they snapped into place in under 5 minutes. Comfort-wise, these pads are fantastic. The cushioning feels soft yet supportive, and they've brought new life to my headphones. They also do a great job of sealing around the ears, which helps maintain that immersive bass experience the Crushers are known for. Number 4. Geekria Replacement Earpads for Skullcandy Headphones. Are your headphone earpads worn out? These replacement earpads are designed to give them a fresh new look. They are easy to install and will make your headphones feel brand new again. Made with high-quality memory foam and protein leather, these earpads offer superior comfort. They provide a soft and comfortable listening experience, allowing you to enjoy your music for hours. Simply replace your old earpads with these new ones. This is a quick and easy way to repair your headset. It's like giving your headphones a complete makeover. These earpads are built to last. They are made with quality materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. You can count on them to withstand daily use. These earpads are compatible with various Skullcandy models. They also fit other brands and models, so check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for your headphones. Give your headphones a brand new look and feel. These replacement earpads will not only enhance the appearance but also improve your listening experience. Enjoy your music in comfort and style. What we like. These earpads offer the same great features as the previous ones, but with a stylish deep red color option. They are made with high-quality memory foam and protein leather for comfort and durability. If you want to add a touch of personality to your headphones, you should choose these. What people say. Installation was a breeze, no tools needed, and they snapped into place in under 5 minutes. Comfort-wise, these pads are fantastic. The cushioning feels soft yet supportive, and they've brought new life to my headphones. They also do a great job of sealing around the ears, which helps maintain that immersive bass experience the Crushers are known for. Number 3. WC Replacement Earpads for Skullcandy Hesh 3 and Crusher. Tired of uncomfortable headphones? Replacing your old earpads is easy with our step-by-step video guide. It will show you how to remove the old ones and install these new ones quickly. These replacement earpads are designed for long-term comfort. The professional-grade PU leather ensures they will last, allowing you to enjoy long listening sessions without any pain. Old ear cushions can negatively affect your audio experience. These replacement pads have 35% thicker memory foam, blocking out noise and enhancing the sound quality. They will completely surround your ear, improving your listening experience. We've added reinforced stitching and upgraded materials to these earpads. The high-quality materials ensure that you can enjoy your headphones for as long as possible, making them a durable choice. These Earpads are specifically designed to fit Skullcandy Hesh 3, Evo, and Crusher series headphones. You can easily upgrade your ear cushions for a perfect fit, enhancing your overall experience. What we like. These Earpads are designed for improved comfort and enhanced sound quality. The extra thick memory foam and reinforced stitching provide long-lasting durability. If you are a gamer or someone who enjoys long listening sessions, you should consider these for a pain-free experience. What people say. They fit perfectly, very easy to install. Very comfortable, even better than the original. They fit comfortably and are, seemingly, the same exact size and model of my original cushions. They work great for the headphones. The durability is good, and the noise cancellation is the same as the original. Number 2. SOULWIT Earpads for Skullcandy Hesh Crusher Venue. Introducing the SOULWIT Earpads, designed for your Skullcandy headphones. These Earpads feature a cooling gel and ice silk fabric, ensuring your ears stay cool and comfortable, even during extended use. These Earpads are compatible with Hesh 3, Crusher Wireless, and Venue ANC over-ear headphones. They are designed to fit perfectly, enhancing your listening experience. The soft cooling gel absorbs sweat, keeping your ears cool. This feature makes the Earpads ideal for use in warmer weather or during long listening sessions. Installing the Earpads is quick and easy. A user guide is included in the package, allowing you to replace your old Earpads in just a few minutes. Old Earpads can negatively impact sound quality. These precisely modeled Earpads will not affect the sound performance of your headphones, making them sound brand new again. We are committed to providing professional and ergonomic Earpads. Contact us for replacements or refunds if you have any issues with your purchase. What we like. These Earpads feature a unique cooling gel technology to keep your ears cool and comfortable. The easy installation makes it a breeze to upgrade your headphones. If you live in a hot climate or tend to sweat while listening, you should choose these. What people say. They are cool to the touch and do feel more cool and comfortable than the factory ear cups. The mesh exterior looks high-end and they have held up well to near daily use. Immediately after putting them on, I can tell they're a big upgrade. The noise cancelling is better and the earmuffs seem to hold the bass in better for a better listening experience. They're also a bit more comfortable. These pads have that support ring and it makes a huge difference if you're wearing these for any amount of time. Also, these came with a tool to help with the install. These came in a basic brown cardboard box, but what came inside was a far superior product than the competition. Plus, they actually keep your ears cooler. Number 1. Defean Replacement Ear Pads for Skullcandy Headphones. Are your headphone ear pads worn out? These brand new replacement ear pads are the perfect solution. They will make your headphones feel like new again. These ear pads are designed to fit Skullcandy Crusher Wireless, Hesh 3 Wireless, and Venue Wireless ANC headphones. They are a perfect fit for your headphones. Available in classic black or stylish brown, these ear pads will match your headphones perfectly. Choose the color that best suits your style. With a size of 90 by 70 mm, these ear pads offer a comfortable fit. They are designed to provide a snug and secure fit for your ears. You will receive one pair of ear pads. They are easy to install and will instantly upgrade your listening experience. Get yours today. What we like. These ear pads are brand new and designed to fit your Skullcandy headphones perfectly. They offer a classic design and a comfortable fit. If you simply need a basic replacement and want to restore your headphones to their original condition, you should consider these. What people say. Perfect fit on skull crushers. They were easy to install and just like the pads that came with the original Skullcandy headphones. Exactly, they're the right size and fit for my Skullcandy Crusher wireless headphones. Easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.